Did you know that 70% of millionaires are self-made? That means they didn't inherit wealth or stumble across a get-rich-quick scheme. They built their fortune with habits, tiny habits that compounded over time to create massive results. So if you're wondering how to change your financial destiny, I'm going to share 15 tiny habits that made me rich and how you can apply them starting today. Before we dive in, thank you to Invest Engine as an affiliate on today's video. Here's something you need to know right now. If you want something that's going to drastically change your mindset, wealth, and life, I've created something that's going to help you every step of the way. My Success Blueprint course. This course is the ultimate self-development course, and it covers everything that you need to shift your mindset, take control of your life, and build lasting wealth. The modules dive deep into self-confidence, money mindset, goal setting, and it's the perfect companion to these tiny habits that I'll share today. You can enroll instantly in the description below. Number 1, focus on systems, not goals. The first habit that made me rich is a mindset shift. Focus on systems, not goals. Here's the truth about goals. They're great for setting direction, but they don't guarantee success. Systems, on the other hand, are what lead you to consistent progress. Think about it. If your goal is to save $10,000 in the next year, that's awesome. But without a system in place, it's just a dream. It's the habit of putting aside $200 every month that makes the goal achievable. I realized that every single successful person I had studied had systems in place to help them consistently get closer to their goals. When I shifted my focus to creating systems, like setting up automated savings, creating regular investment plans, and committing to daily learning, everything started to click. As an action, start by creating smaller systems around your goals. Set automatic transfers to a savings account or start using a budget tracker. Whatever your goal is, break it down into manageable, repeatable action. And if you're looking to build powerful systems, you can check out Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book changed the way millions approach habits, and it's a best-selling book that explains how small changes lead to huge transformations. Number 2, automate your finances. One of the smartest habits I ever developed was automating my finances. If you want to build wealth without thinking about it every day, automation is the way to go. It takes the emotional stress and the decision making out of the equation. When I started automatically transferring money into a high yield savings account every month, I was surprised at how quickly my savings grew without me even noticing. I set up automatic payments for bills, investments, and savings, and the best part, I didn't have to think twice about it. This habit of automation allowed me to stay on track even when life got busy or distractions came up. Over time, those small deposits added up to large amounts and started working for me through investments. As an action, set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, investment account, or even retirement account. Once it's set up, you won't have to worry about missing a payment or skipping a savings goal. If you want a tool to really help you plan your finances, I highly recommend my Ultimate Financial Planner Bundle. This is a tool that will really help you keep track of your finances, savings, and investments in a simple, effective way. Number 3, invest in yourself first. Before I could start investing in stocks, real estate, or other opportunities, I had to invest in myself first. I know it sounds cliche, but this was a total game changer. I spent years putting off self-education, thinking that I could focus on investing and money first. But the truth is, you can't build wealth if you don't have the knowledge and mindset to manage it. When I finally shifted my focus to learning and improving myself, reading books, taking courses, and learning from mentors, that's when everything started to change. You'll never regret investing in your education. Your brain is the most valuable asset you have. The more you learn, the more valuable you become, and the more opportunities will open up for you. I used to focus on quick money-making schemes, thinking I could hit it big with stocks. But once I started investing in courses and self-development, I understood how wealth is built. By applying the principles of mental fitness, goal setting, I began making smarter decisions that created passive income streams and set me up for long-term success. As an action, start with small investments in your education. Take a course, read a book, or listen to podcasts that enhance your skills. Even dedicating just 30 minutes a day to learn something new can compound over time. Number 4, keep your money moving. Wealthy people don't just save money, they make their money work for them. This is one of the most important habits that you can adopt. Once you save, you need to make sure that your money is working for you. The idea is to invest wisely and watch your money grow instead of letting it sit idle in a checking account. As an action, start researching ways to invest your money, whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or starting a side hustle. Find opportunities that can make your money work for you. Set a goal of learning one new investment option every month and start applying that knowledge. Number 5, cultivate a wealthy mindset. This habit can't be overlooked. Your mindset is everything when it comes to wealth. If you believe that you're not good with money, or that wealth is unattainable for you, that's exactly what you'll attract. I spent years believing that money was scarce, and I held on to every penny I earned, not understanding that money is abundant. And the key is to change your relationship with it. Once I shifted my mindset to believing that wealth is possible and that I could grow my income, my financial situation began to shift dramatically. This is also a core principle in my Success Blueprint course, specifically in the Money Mindset module. As an action, start changing your thoughts about money. Practice daily affirmations. Focus on attracting wealth and opportunities. Believe in your ability to create and grow wealth. And soon you'll start to see it reflect in your life. Number 6, stop trying to keep up with others. One of the biggest traps that we fall into is trying to keep up with others. I used to spend money that I didn't have just to impress people that I didn't like. Once I stopped worrying what others thought of me, everything shifted. As an action, focus on your goals and stay in your lane. Cut out distractions such as comparing yourself to others on social media. Track your own progress and celebrate every milestone. Number 7, build multiple streams of income. Millionaires don't rely on one source of income. They have multiple streams of revenue. I can't stress this enough. Diversification is key. When I first started, I only had one source of income, my day job. But when I began investing in stocks and creating online content, I started to see my financial freedom take shape. Each new income stream gave me flexibility and less financial stress. As an action, start looking for additional sources of income. Even if it's just a small side hustle, find something that adds to your wealth, whether it's investing in stocks, starting a freelance gig, or creating online content. The more streams, the better. Which of these habits resonates with you most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear which one you're going to start with. As a reminder, before we go into the next steps, if you're ready to shift your mindset and take your wealth to the next level, don't forget to check out my Success Blueprint course. This course dives deep into all of the principles and much more. You can enroll today in the description below. Number 8, prioritize your health and energy. You can't achieve financial success if you don't have the energy to go after it. Health truly is wealth. I started paying more attention to my diet, exercise, and sleep, and it paid off in my mental clarity, focus, and energy. As an action, start incorporating exercise into your daily routine. Even a quick 20-minute walk or a stretching session can improve your mental fitness and energy levels. Number 9, leverage your resources. Wealthy people understand the importance of leverage, whether it's using other people's money, time, or expertise to get ahead. The key is to scale efficiently and smartly. These 15 tiny habits completely transformed my financial journey, and I know that they'll work for you too. If you're ready to start implementing these habits and building wealth, don't forget to check out my Success Blueprint course. This course is a roadmap to the kind of wealth, success, and mindset I've cultivated in my own life. You can enroll instantly in the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, which habit are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. If you found this video, please hit subscribe. Over 70% of people watching haven't yet subscribed, and subscribing helps me deliver high value content just like this. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive into 5 bad money habits that are keeping you poor. I'll see you there.